Okay, so we have quite the setup in this problem. So we have a coaxial cable, and so in this middle part of it, there's three distinct regions. In this middle part, we have current going one direction with total current I naught. Then we have an insulating layer, the black here. And this outer blue region, we have current going in the opposite direction of total current negative I naught. And then we have the region outside the cable. And so in these three distinct regions then, the middle red, the insulating black, the outer blue with current going the other direction, and then just outside of the cable. In all of those regions, we want to find what the magnetic field is. So the inner part of the cable has a radius R1, and then the black part R2, and then the outer part R3. And then I'm calling our position anywhere within the cable just a lowercase r. And we know then we have a non